Hi guys, I need to show you this video after we poured concrete yesterday for the heavy duty parking lot for trucks. Today morning we started to do the saw cut for control joints, and here we started, you can see at 10 times 10 because that is 6 inches thick slab, and per ACI code we can go maximum to 100 square foot if it is 6 inches thick slab. But if it is 4 inches, we can go maximum to 144 square foot. So here it is 6 inches thick slab, you can see guys, and then we did it, we divided by square, 10 foot, so that is 100. So everything looks nice and square and same even. So that's what we did, and you can see light broom finish this way. Today we remove the forms, we remove it, and you have a slope coming this way, slope from the middle this way, from the other side, same thing here. So today you can see we're using the saw cut machine, no dust coming out, you know, that's the best way and the smart way. You can see we're using the vacuum at the same time, and over there we're using the hand saw to reach the building, so the joint continuous to the building. Okay guys, you can see everything is square, and here we did chalk line. That's the last line we need to do. You can see chalk line, so everything will be beautiful, square, 10 times 10, 100 square foot with no dust. You can see those two vacuum machine, that's help, you know, no dust. So if you like this video, please just subscribe and share and like. I will upload more videos. So now after we will finish, we use the vacuum to remove the dust. You know, you can see here when we cut the dust, when we cut the control joint, the dust come out. So we'll use the vacuum, and we will do pressure wash to clean it, because if we do cure and seal, that dust will stay, and you can see the white stuff here and there. So we will use the blower and then pressure wash, clean it. It will dry fast today. Temperature is like 75. After that we will do cure and seal. It will look nice and beautiful. Again, please just subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.